Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread in a kawali. First, gather your ingredients like ripe bananas, flour, sugar, and eggs. Next, prepare your kawali by greasing and flouring it and place a trivet inside. Then, mix your wet and dry ingredients separately before combining them. Finally, bake until golden brown and delicious. This simple method ensures a moist and flavorful treat every time. Let's start by gathering everything you need. You'll want 3 to 4 very ripe bananas as they provide the best sweetness and moisture. Measure out 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a pinch of salt for balance. Now let's get mixing and prepare our kawali. In a large bowl, mash your ripe bananas until mostly smooth. Add the melted butter, eggs, and sugar, mixing well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet, mixing just until combined. Grease and flour your kawali thoroughly, then place a trivet or small rack inside. It's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Carefully pour the batter into your prepared kawali. Cover the kawali tightly with its lid to trap the heat. Place it over low to medium heat on your stovetop. Bake for approximately 45 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your banana bread is ready to enjoy. Let it cool before slicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.